In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this rough metal material in Blender. Let's create a UV sphere. In edit mode, I'll right-click and type S to add more segments. I'll create a simple noise texture material. Selecting a node and pressing Ctrl T will add extra nodes, but we need to activate a Node Wrangler add-on to do that. I'll share the fully zoomed node shortly. Right-click and S to shade smooth. Ctrl 3 to subdivide. Let's customize the material further. We can get even more details if we connect the noise texture node to the displacement like this. Lastly, we can add a displace modifier, and add a noise texture to add even more details. We can move the displace modifier above the subsurf modifier to get a smoother look. Please remember to experiment with the node settings to get the best looking result. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.